Like, listen, you can't tell me nothing. I set my goals and I reached them. You can't tell me nothing after the gym.
Sometimes I can get.
I'm in desperate need of quick keto and plant-based meals, and this caught my eye. These are Miracle Noodle keto meals. They look like it's already made. So it's plant-based and keto friendly. The macros are 5 carbs, 2 fibers, so that's 3 grams of net carbs for half of this package. So it'll be 6 if I ate the whole thing, and it's on sale for $6. They have other flavors here: Thai peanut and adobo. I think I want to try the adobo. I'm gonna try one of these. I love these coffee creamers, and the fact that they have the caramel flavor, French vanilla, and hazelnut, and it's on sale for $4.99. I am so happy. This looks very interesting. They have Moala Keto plant-based creamer. That looks very interesting. But I'm already in love with the nut pod, so I don't think I'm trying it today. Maybe I should try one, babe. White mocha. I think I'll try the white mocha. I already have granola at home, but this caught my eye. It's called Keto Crunch. So it's like a granola, keto-friendly granola, and has toasted pumpkin seed and vanilla nut granola. It looks really good. I'm gonna come back and try it, but I don't need it right now. It looks pretty clean, so I'll definitely want to try it. I will say the bag is pretty empty, but that's all that's in there. Star fruit is a well-known keto-friendly fruit. So I'm gonna get one that's green. I'm coming, Caleb. We're gonna get one that's green and one that's ripe. Kevin is better at choosing fruits than me, so that's good, babe. Star fruit, yummy. Yeah, so my husband found these mangoes. Judging by the size of my hand, it's bigger than my hand. It's not keto, but this is pretty awesome. I think we're gonna buy it just to try it. I am a fan of the vegan pepperoni. I know this counts as processed food, but the carbs are low. 3 grams for 10 slices. So I think I'm gonna try this as well. I've been eyeing these bars on Amazon. They're plant-based and keto-friendly as well. So I'm going to try the birthday cake flavor and cookie cream. And you can see here, it gives you 22 grams of plant protein and 1 gram of sugar, which is really good. Told you guys how much I love these Zevia energy drinks that I brought on my hike. So I'm going to get them because they're on sale 3 for $5. So I'm gonna get the raspberry lime again. I'm gonna get a mango ginger, yes, and I'll get grapefruit as well. I I already told you guys about these Love Good fat bars. They're plant-based and keto friendly. I had it on one of my hikes and I really loved it. It gives you 7 grams of protein and it has 5 grams of net carbs, which is not great, but if you need a quick snack, it's pretty good. I am not on the market for protein powder because I already have some at home, but I'm definitely coming back when mine are finished for this. It only has 5 grams of net carbs, 20 grams of protein, soy-free, gluten-free, and you can see the macros back here. So I'm very interested in trying this flavor.
Several days later.
Good morning, goodies. My voice sounds really deep and it looks really dark because it is about 5 o'clock in the morning. We are headed to the gym and I clicked the snooze button one too many times this morning. So that's why it's after. It's like 5:05. But yeah, we're gonna start our day off at the gym. So let's go.
I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I felt the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me dressing diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find, yeah, say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
Yeah.
I just call it righteous, righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along just like a saint. I was on lockdown. But the whole time you had the keys. I don't know what it is you're doing to me.
So now that we finished our time at the gym, I gotta rush home to go prepare the kids for school. I definitely wanted to stay longer. The funny thing about going to the gym is waking up to go there. It's like, oh my gosh, why am I doing this to myself? This is torture. What was I thinking? Then after, like, listen, you can't tell me nothing. I set my goals and I reached them. You can't tell me nothing after the gym. Like, you can't tell me nothing. It's so funny. And it's like every day. Every day it's like, why? And then right after it's like, I did that and did and we'll do again. But yeah, let's go home and get these kids ready for school.
Flowers start to bloom, just like me and you. And I feel a change. Letting the light shine in. My patience wearing thin. And it's all so brand new. And I can't find the words to say just how you take my breath away, babe. Can you feel my heartbeat loud? And it's something different. Don't know what to call it. It's
Okay, so Caleb is having his fruit. Let me turn on the light. It's kind of dark in here. Yeah, it's a little gloomy out. Looking a little crazy, but yeah. Caleb is having his fruit, so you can hear him with his little tablet while I'm having this beautiful omelet. I don't know what to call it. but it's really good. I'm gonna finish the rest of this delicious omelet that's flavored very well by these peppers and onions. By the way, you should start flavoring your food with peppers and onions. It makes a world of a difference. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up, do some work, and I'll see you in my next meal. I'm hoping to get as much as I can done before it's pickup time for the kids. And I'll most likely prepare a snack or a lunch to bring with me while I go pick them up, because the pickup line is ridiculous and I have to get there like an hour before school closes. I mean, before school opens, in order to get them at a decent time. So it's a whole ordeal. So yeah, we'll most likely be seeing each other again at lunchtime, where I'll probably make a snack or a lunch to bring with me for pickup. See you at lunchtime. It's officially time to go pick up the kids from school, and I don't have enough time to make lunch, but I'm not hungry. I'm still full. I feel like once I get on the line, I'm gonna feel a slight hunger. So I'm not sure what I should take as a snack, but I'm definitely going to take something to drink. So let me go grab a sparkling water. But we gotta hurry up and head out, get Caleb dressed, and get on that pickup line, or else we're gonna be out for the whole afternoon. So let's go. We are back home and I am starving. Like, when I say starving, raw and starving. And I'm feeling for a really big salad. So I'm gonna start off with like some romaine, and I'm just gonna throw like a whole bunch of veggies, and I'm gonna try my hand at making my own salad dressing. So let's go make a salad, because like I said, I'm starving.
original man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play.
Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time the things get bad, promise I won't turn my back, even if it's.
For breakfast this morning, I want something quick and hearty, so I'm going to have some of these plant-based bacon strips. They're about 1 gram of carb per serving, so it's not putting any dent at all in my carb count. I'm also going to have some leftover just eggs that I cooked in a previous day, and I also put a little bit of plant-based cheese in there because, as we know, plant-based cheese has a lot of carbs in it, so I just put a little bit in there just for a little bit of flavor, and that was our delicious breakfast for this morning. For lunch, we're going to be having avocado toast, but we're going to spice it up and put a little twist on it. I am trusting that you're not judging that one pinky with the yellow nail on it because we're a family and we don't judge each other. So just understand that I'm in between nail sets and there's one yellow pinky nail on my right pinky. But we're not judging, right? Because what? We're a family. All right, goody crew. But yeah, I am mashing up my avocado that went to private school because you see how decent that avocado look? It looked good. So I'm mashing that up and I'm going to put it on the toast as we usually do with avocado toast. A lot of times I like to put some vegan mayo with it, but I was just taking it easy on the processed stuff, so I just put just the avocado and of course some everything but the bagel seasoning, and I'm going to add some jalapeno and some arugula. Remember I had the arugula from that vegan restaurant the other day? It has me in a chokehold and I have to use it on almost all my sandwiches now. It has a nice nutty flavor, so I'm going to put that on there and we're going to have a very delicious lunch. If you stuck it with me to the end of this video, please go ahead and drop some teacup emojis in the comment section down below, because my current obsession for drinks in the morning is chai tea lattes, like making different variations of them, as you can see what I did this week. I really appreciate you guys, and for the Goody Crew members who have been dropping the comments in the comment section and dropping the emojis, just know that I see you and I really appreciate you guys. The love and the support means the world to me, so please know that. And if you have not subscribed yet, if you have not joined the Goody Crew, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead, click that subscribe button and click the bell so you can see when I upload all of my new videos, and don't forget to click the like button because it helps my channel. So thanks again for being here, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.